Hello, my model building friends and clients. This is Frank with Galactic Modeler. Just got finished with this 1701D build for a client of ours, Varun in Oregon, and it's been a long haul. We've had some problems. We tried to make we tried to use the knuckle part that comes with the stand, so that the ship could be tilted here and there, but with the weight of the LEDs and everything, it ended up just kind of being a nosedive. It wouldn't support itself, so we just fabricated a brass collar and made it so it's real sturdy and just straight on the stand. But we're offering a new product, and it's a lit base. We're going to have it for the Enterprise D and the 1701A TOS and the 1701 refit, the NX01, probably the Enterprise B, and we'll probably have the Klingon battle cruiser and bird of prey as well, done in greens on the stand. But we'll just turn it on. This comes with a power button that turns the stand on. Once that button's turned on, then all your other buttons are active. And it'll come with 4 buttons preset. All you'll need to do is run the wires from the ship down to the buttons and set them for whatever you would like, whether you want just the main lighting, phaser weapons, warp drive. But it's a really gorgeous, gorgeous base. Turned out really, really nice, and the ship looks just great on it. And we'll just kind of start hitting some buttons here. We're going to turn on the main lighting, which lights up all the windows and the impulse engines and the main body of the ship. And then the second button we've got set to turn on the flashing starboard and port marker lights and the rear marker lights, which are just flashing away. Cool. And then warp drive. Now that first button turns on the main body, and then it's like coming out of the space dock. The impulse engines are right here, but then once you're out of the space dock, you go into warp drive, and bang, your warp engines. You hit that button, and that lights everything up. Yeah, this ship turned out really good. The client's going to love it. And then this one comes with the base has rubber feet on it, by the way, so it's real soft, and you can set it on anything. This is setting on my marble bar. Anyway, we installed phaser weapons, which is the 4th button, and we'll take a look at them right now. And there we go. Now we're blasting. That's pretty cool. Yeah, those are really intense, so you clients that order these lighting kits, there's a warning on the bulbs. Do not stare into them, because you can cause retinal damage if you stare at them too much. But yeah, I like how that looks. We we've sold thousands of these lighting kits with these weapon arrays in them, blasting, and they're really cool on Star Wars Star Destroyers and Darth Vader's TIE Fighter and all that stuff. But there you have it. Enterprise D, built for a client in Oregon. Beautiful job. We do hand painting on the Aztecs because I've looked at all the D decals. I don't like any of them. They're too dark or off color or whatever. So we take the laborious task of hand painting them with real soft diluted Dove Gray. And we use a metallic base and then Dove Gray, so you get like shiny and dull and blah blah blah, and different pearlization. Yeah, there's Picard's. There's Picard's yacht. We did a real cool lighting effect on that. I like how that turned out. But yeah, it's a beautiful ship. And Varun, he decided he didn't want a lot of the colors that they normally use because they're kind of silly. The ship comes, it's like the rings around right behind the massards is supposed to be mustard yellow, and there's all these other mustard yellow markings or gold, and we decided to go with real soft, silvers and platinums, and this ring here typically is painted black, is what they suggest. And it just doesn't look that great, the black against that much white. It's just kind of looks like a cheap toy. So we went with platinum, or I think it was titanium. Anyway, thank you for looking, and you guys may want to pick up some of these bases. They're really gorgeous. Alright, we'll talk to you soon. Happy modeling, guys. Bye-bye.